Assalamu alaikum birahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will learn a zikr to read Allah's name after Salatul Isha. So we have to read two names of Allah after Salatul Isha. Then inshallah we will be safe from all type of diseases, troubles and problems, and inshallah we will be healthy, and Allah will make our way with Sirat Mustaqim, and inshallah our difficulties will become very easy and all problems will be solved. So we have to read after Salatul Isha every night 500 times these two names of Allah. We must read Darood o Salam to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in the beginning and at the ending. So we have to read 500 times Allah's these two names. It means 5 tasbih. Allah's two names are Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum, Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum, Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum, Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum. So these are two names of Allah, Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum. So we have to read two names of Allah together 500 times after Salatul Isha, and beginning and ending with Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. So this Darood we have to read in the beginning and at the end, in after ending. So in between we have to read Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum, Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum, Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum 500 times. So inshallah before sleeping, if we continue every night, so inshallah diseases will finish and problems will finish and we will be healthy, and Allah will make our way with Sirat Mustaqim, and inshallah all difficulties will be solved, and everything becomes easy. So Allah's blessings will fall on us. So we have to try our best to complete 500 times every night after Salatul Isha before sleeping, inshallah. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.